warm welcome back to English with Nusrat, and where you don't just learn English, you master it. And today we are going to learn a 10 advanced English sentence structure that will make you speaking and writing and more impressive and fluent. And so take your notebook and let's get started. 10 structure, Hindi to English, and how to use in our daily conversation. The first structure is not only but also. ना सिर्फ न बल्कि भी, वो ना सिर्फ होशियार है बल्कि मेहनती भी है. How to use this structure in this sentence? Not only is she a smart, but she is also hardworking. Had I know, I would have. अगर मुझे पता होता तो मैं. अब ये स्ट्रक्चर को हम कैसे यूज करें? अगर मुझे मीटिंग के बारे में पता होता तो मैं समय पर जुड़ गया होता. Had I know about the meeting, I would have joined on time. It is a high time plus subject plus past verb. अब समय आ गया है कि अब समय आ गया है कि हमें जलवायु को परिवर्तन को गंभीरता से ले ले. It is a high time we started taking the climate change seriously. Seldom do I and rarely do they. मैं शायद ही कभी या वे शायद ही. अब इस स्ट्रक्चर को हम सेंटेंस में एक सिंपल वे से यूज कर सकते. जैसे मैं आजकल शायद ही टीवी देखता हूं. Seldomly do I watch a TV these days. No sooner than. जैसे ही वैसे ही. जैसे ही वो स्टेशन पे पहुंचा ट्रेन निकल गई. No sooner had he reached the station and then the train left. So that इतना कि वो इतनी थकी हुई थी कि तुरंत सो गई. She was so tired, she felt asleep immediately. As far as I know, as far as I remember, जहां तक कि मुझे पता है, जहां तक कि मुझे याद है, जहां तक कि मुझे पता है, क्लास 10 बजे शुरू होता है. As far as I know, the class start at 10 a.m. We can say, and had it not been a for, अगर ये नहीं होता, अगर आपकी मदद नहीं होती तो मैं काम पूरा नहीं कर पाता. Had it not been for your help, I couldn't have finished the work. The more, the more. जितना ज्यादा उतना ज्यादा. जितना ज्यादा आप अभ्यास करेंगे उतना ही ज्यादा आत्मविश्वास बढ़ेगा. The more you practice, the more confidence you become. Little did I know. This is my favorite structure. मुझे बिल्कुल भी अंदाजा नहीं था कि अब हम इसे कैसे यूज. मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता था कि वो सरप्राइज की योजना बना रही थी. The little did I know that she was planning a surprise. I hope you got it how to use these are a structure in our conversation. And so these were today a 10 advanced English structure with Hindi to English sentence also, and start using them in your daily conversation and see the difference in your fluency. Stay connect with English with Nusrat, and where we make English simple, smart, strong, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.